Unboxing. Yes, what I have in front of you now is our Oro whole house tap water pressurization constant pressure water pump. I only have 4 points to describe this whole house tap water pressurized constant pressure water pump. Frequency conversion, constant voltage, silent automatic start and stop. First point, frequency conversion. As the name implies, frequency conversion means that it can automatically adjust its own power according to the change of your water consumption and the range of opening. For example, when 3 to 4 faucets are turned on in our home, what about our water pump? It will automatically adjust the power. For example, when I turn on a faucet in my home, it will reduce the power. It automatically reduces the power to achieve an energy-saving effect. The second point is constant pressure, which can solve the problem of unstable water pressure caused by water conflicts when multiple people use water at the same time, and hot and cold when taking a bath. For example, I am taking a bath here. Then my family, for example, washing vegetables or watering flowers over there, right? Doesn't he have a conflict with water? What about the conflict with water? My shower here will be cold and hot for a while. But with the constant pressure function, no matter how many faucets you turn on and use water at the same time, the water pressure will always be kept in a stable state, and you won't be hot or cold when taking a bath. The third point is mute. In fact, it is also very important in our home decoration. Compared with installing it indoors, kitchens, porch cabinets, water landscapes, and other scenes, its noise requirements are still relatively high. For example, if you take a shower in the middle of the night, the buzzing sound of his water pump will not only disturb people, but also affect our sleep quality for those of us who sleep lightly. At this time, you are like us. The whole house tap water pressurized constant pressure water pump in front of you adopts a low noise design. The fourth point is automatic start and stop, which can be said in popular terms. That is, when I turn on the faucet, my water pump starts, and when I turn off the faucet, the water pump automatically stops. Speaking of automatic start-stop, our water pump's durability simulation start-stop test has been tested more than 200,000 times. Particularly durable, isn't the quality also quack?